Hi everyone, this is our small video on how we can use input decorator. So for if you are completely beginner, you have to go through the basic information like how it works. For that you simply have to just go to write go to this text search bar and write it as a Angular input decorator. Click on it and you will get a small description like what is Angular input decorator, what are parents and child components, how it works, and what are the codes that we are gonna use. This and the way it works. Child selector, item, target input, that's all. So right now I will show you a simple variable, sharing a simple variable from parent to child. So how it will be look like, it will look like this. Okay, so right now let's go to the page. So this is our page right now, and if I want to see the other cards that had been created before by me which is simply a hard-coded component, so it will look like this and this. So all have the values. Now right now I have a model not model, I have a one month database. This is a JSON database that I have, which contains ID, description, icon, URL, etc. Right now first I will import that in the TS. So let's remove this one. I was just practicing in the laptop. So title 1 is equals to so let's see what we have right now. Deep dive courses, course 2, course 3, and lots of courses related to that. Okay, so let's go with the course 1 is equals to courses 0, course 2 equals to courses 1 course 3 equals to courses 3. So all of these will be exported in the app component.html. Now I am showing this like in this way. I'll share it the items title with this way right now. If you are completely then you have to go with this title. That way it will send first the name of the courses1 dot course1 dot description. Yeah, the description. Okay, so let's see how it will be look like in the. So yeah, I have sent the title. Now I have to take an input in the child, which is course card child component dot ts. So it will look like, it's simple, just simple write input title, the same name which you have wrote, and then string if it's a string, and if not a string, then okay. Okay, now I will use data interpolation title. So let's see how it will be look like. Okay, so Angular core deep dive, rest of them will not show anything because we have not imported and share with them. So let's do for them too. So yeah, Angular core deep dive, and for the third one, let's switch it up for each one. And the third, okay, my bad. Let's see. Okay, so it's course. Nice. Now if you want to share the item and receive it here, then the process is same, but there is a twist. You have to add a type like that, custom JavaScript types, object types, to receive, this is like a format of JSON, look like a JSON. So you have to create a type definition for the item so that you can collect on the other side. So for that you have to first import. Let's go from the very back, like item. Okay, I'm sharing the item, or should I write object? Let's write object and object. Here in object we are sharing the whole object, not just one variable. Now passing. Okay, so we have sent the object but have not received it yet, and for no reason we are using this input. So let's remove that and import the course.ts module, course. So that way we have imported the course module. Okay, now in the component we simply just have to use the course dot description. Okay, So there is an error. Let's see what's the error. Did I write it wrong? Let's see where I miss course. The course. Okay, so that's the name of the object. So I have to write the name same with the same name, and then object. My bad. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, so it's working completely fine. As you can see, RxJX in practice, this one. Now let's change the few things more. Icon URL, so object. Again we will use string interpolation. That's so if you see a long passage, then we will simply have to just click on it, then either click on the end, and then yep. Now again string interpolation, object dot icon URL, and same with the description. Object dot long. So things you have to check before using this type definition. So all the information that is written, ID, description, icon, long description, category, and lesson count should be same as this one, the array that you are, the JSON you are exporting or using, you can say that. So that way you can simply use import, that way you can use input from parent to child. Thank you so much. If you like this video, comment what part you like the most, and if you are facing any issue, just mention it. And the third part, if you like this video, just subscribe it and share it. I want to cross it about 100 subscribers for now. So thank you so much, guys. Oh, the last one, the preview, how it will look like. So that's how it will look like. Thank you.